อยากได้คำถามภาษาไทยภาษาอังกฤษคะ
ภาษาอังกฤษค่ะ
ภาษาอังกฤษนะคะ So I know that you said this is going to be your last time competing on the Miss Universe Thailand stage. What happens if for whatever reason you don't win this year? What will you do with your life?
I believe that if I do everything with my best intention and I put my work hard on it and I really put all the hard work on it, I can achieve anything that I want. But if anything happens that I won't get the Miss Universe Thailand crown this year, I would continue my work on helping people around me, inspiring people around me, because I believe that the crown and the sash shine the brightest when you use it for others, but you can shine within yourself to shine that on others around you and use that as a force of positivity and lead them to the way of success. Thank you.
นะครับทุกท่านครับและนี่เลยครับคือคำตอบ They say that a good leader leads by example. Tell us about one event in your life when you led by example and the impact it made.
I fell a while ago on stage. And the thing with me is, whenever I fall in life, I always make sure I come back stronger. Last year, I was here on this stage, and for the second time this year, I'm here putting everything on this stage to be Miss Universe Philippines, because this is mine and my grandmother's shared dream, and she passed away early this year. And this is my ode to her.
Ang inyo pong napanood ay ang patikim na banggaan ng communication skills ni Vena Pravinar or itong pambato ng Thailand kontra dito sa ating kandidata na si Atisa Manalo. Dahil mainit sila ngayon na pinag-uusapan dito sa social media ang banggaang Vena versus Atisa dito sa Miss Universe 2025. Pero bago ang lahat ay huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue. At mainit nga po na pinag-uusapan dito sa social media itong dalawang kandidata na kung saan ay nagpatalbugan sila sa ComSkills, itong si Vena Pravinar ng Thailand at si Atisa Manalo na maging kinatawan ng Pilipinas para sa MU 2025 na gaganapin doon sa Bangkok. So dito is nakita natin na nagpatalbugan sila sa Q&A, and to be fair naman, to be honest naman dito sa ComSkills ni Vena ay talagang nag-improve siya mga kapolitika. Kung ikukumpara mo dati na yung kanyang accent is may halong Indian at Thailand, pero ngayon ay to be honest talagang nag-improve siya, naging neutralize yung kanyang accent at the way she pronounced the words. So unlike talaga dati na makikita mo talaga yung pagiging Kingkoy the way she pronounced, but ngayon ay non-neutral na katulad nung mga ipinadala nila sa Thailand nitong mga nakaraang buwan, kasi iba talaga po ang accent ng mga common people na taga Thailand. Pero dito talaga ay kitang-kita na non-neutralize nila yung kanilang accent. So marami ang mga nagsasabi na nag-improve na daw talaga itong accent or itong ComSkills ni Vena Pravinar. So magkakatalunan lang po yan kung gusto ni Nawat na umingay itong Miss Universe ay kinakailangan na ipasok niya itong dalawang kandidata, si Vena at si Philippines, dahil purong yung mga supporters ay very passionate dito sa pagdating sa beauty pageant. So in other words ay talagang iingay pa ang Miss Universe kung papasok itong si Atisa sa top 5, dahil marami pa ang mga nagsasabi na hindi daw mahirap na makapasok itong si Atisa sa top 5 base sa kanyang performance, at the same time yung beauty ni Atisa, mga kapolitika na talagang nagsashine all throughout. Okay? So kung kayong tatanungin ay sino sa tingin nyo ang mas maganda ang ComSkills, or mas lamang, ito bang si Atisa or itong si Vena Pravinar ng Thailand? Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue.